Giải chi tiết đề viết dự đoán IELTSbro, chủ đề trường học không còn cần thiết khi có thể học mọi thứ trên Internet. Đề dự đoán cho quý 3 năm 2023. Đề bài cụ thể như sau. Vì mọi người có thể học qua Internet nên trường học trở nên không còn cần thiết. Bạn đồng ý hay phản đối quan điểm này? Hãy cùng đi vào các bước giải đề chi tiết như sau. Phân tích đề. Tìm ý. Lập dàn ý chi tiết. Bài viết tham khảo. Phân tích bài viết. Trong phần phân tích đề, hãy xác định 3 yếu tố sau: chủ đề của bài, câu hỏi cụ thể và đối tượng của bài viết. Trước khi đi vào phần sau, chúng ta cùng tham khảo các cách diễn đạt đồng nghĩa với các cụm từ khóa trong bài. Hãy tham khảo kỹ phần này trước khi đến với phần dàn ý chi tiết ở sau nhé. Đề bài này chúng ta sẽ đưa ra quan điểm phản đối rằng trường học trở nên không còn cần thiết. Chúng ta đưa ra 2 luận điểm chính như sau. Thân bài 1, tầm quan trọng của tương tác trực tiếp và kỹ năng xã hội. Thân bài 2, chuyên môn không thể thay thế của các giáo viên trong việc đưa ra hướng dẫn cá nhân hóa cho học sinh. Cụ thể các ý chính và ý hỗ trợ cho bài viết như sau.
Introduction. Introduce the topic and the statement about studying through the internet and the necessity of schools. State the writer's opinion, disagreeing with the statement. Body paragraph 1. The importance of physical interaction and social skills. Topic sentence. Physical schools are crucial for social development and enhancing interpersonal skills. Reason. Schools provide a structured environment for daily interaction, fostering social skills like teamwork and communication. Result. Face-to-face interactions in schools create a supportive and inclusive learning environment. Example. A study found that physical school attendees showed higher emotional intelligence and collaboration skills compared to online learners. Counterargument. Online forums and video chats can provide virtual social interactions. Rebuttal. In-person interactions are deeper and more authentic, leading to better development of social skills. Body paragraph 2. The role of teachers and personalized guidance. Topic sentence. Physical schools are necessary for qualified teachers to offer personalized guidance. Reason. Skilled teachers adapt methods to address individual student needs and challenges. Benefit. In-class teachers observe progress, provide immediate feedback, and enhance the learning process. Example. A study by ABC Institute revealed higher academic performance for students taught face-to-face by teachers compared to online learners. Counterargument. Online platforms claim to provide personalized learning experiences. Rebuttal. Online resources cannot match the personalized attention and real-time feedback of qualified teachers. Conclusion. Summarize main points. Physical schools foster social skills, offer personalized guidance, and facilitate comprehensive learning. Reiterate disagreement with the statement on studying through the internet. Emphasize the irreplaceable role of physical schools in nurturing well-rounded individuals and promoting academic excellence.
Các bạn nghiên cứu thật kỹ dàn ý chi tiết cho hướng triển khai này, sau đó hãy dành 30 phút để viết hoàn chỉnh bài theo dàn ý này nhé. Sau đó, hãy so sánh bài viết với bài luận mẫu dưới đây.
In today's digital age, the notion that schools are unnecessary due to online education is debated. I firmly disagree. While the internet has transformed learning, physical schools remain vital. This essay will explore the role of face-to-face interaction in social skills development and teachers' contribution in personalized instruction. Physical schools create a structured environment that nurtures social development and enhances interpersonal abilities. Students who engage in daily in-person interaction within the school premises acquire vital social skills, including teamwork, effective communication, and conflict resolution. These skills are indispensable for their personal and professional lives. Additionally, regular face-to-face interactions in schools foster a sense of community, resulting in a supportive and inclusive learning environment. A study conducted by XYZ University demonstrated that students who attended physical schools exhibited higher emotional intelligence and superior collaboration skills compared to those who relied solely on online platforms. While it can be argued that online forums and video chats offer virtual social interactions, they lack the depth and authenticity of in-person interactions, which are crucial for comprehensive social skill development. Qualified teachers are another reason why physical schools remain indispensable. These educators possess the expertise to adapt their teaching methods according to the unique needs of individual students, enabling a deeper understanding of complex concepts and addressing specific learning challenges. Within a classroom setting, teachers closely observe and evaluate students' progress. identifying areas for improvement and delivering immediate feedback that significantly enhances the learning process. A study conducted by the ABC Institute revealed that students who received face-to-face instruction from teachers in physical schools achieved higher academic performance compared to their online counterparts. Despite claims made by online platforms regarding personalized learning experiences through pre-recorded lessons and interactive quizzes, they cannot match the personalized attention and real-time feedback provided by qualified teachers in physical schools. In conclusion, the idea that physical schools are unnecessary due to online education is unfounded. They play a vital role in fostering social skills, creating a supportive learning environment, and delivering personalized instruction. Physical schools are indispensable for nurturing well-rounded individuals and promoting academic excellence.
Chúng ta xem lại bài viết hoàn chỉnh. Hãy chú ý tới các câu in đậm, thể hiện quan điểm và luận điểm chính của bài IELTS. Phần in đậm cuối 2 đoạn thân bài thể hiện phần lập luận phản biện. Sau bài viết hãy làm một số bài tập từ vựng và lập luận sau đây.
Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate advanced phrases from the model essay. 1. Interactions with peers and teachers _ important social skills. 2. Physical schools _ a sense of community among students. 3. Online platforms lack the _ of face-to-face interactions. 4. Teachers _ plays a significant role in personalized instruction. 5. Regular face-to-face _ are crucial for comprehensive skill development. 6. Physical schools provide a _ learning environment. 7. Qualified teachers can _ their teaching methods to meet students' needs. 8. Students who attended physical schools _ higher emotional intelligence. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate advanced phrases from the model essay. 1. Physical schools _ a supportive and inclusive learning environment. 2. Teachers _ is crucial for addressing specific learning challenges. 3. Regular face-to-face _ foster social skills development. 4. Online platforms cannot match the _ of in-person interactions. 5. Qualified teachers _ their teaching methods to accommodate individual students. 6. Students who attend physical schools often _ superior collaboration skills. 7. Personalized attention and real-time feedback in physical schools _ academic performance. 8. The role of face-to-face interaction in schools _ well-rounded individuals. Exercise 3. Choose the most appropriate advanced phrase to complete each sentence. 1. Physical schools are indispensable for _ A. Nurturing well-rounded individuals. B. Fostering social skills. C. Promoting academic excellence. 2. Online platforms lack the _ of in-person interactions. A. Personalization and real-time feedback. B. Depth and authenticity. C. Comprehensive skill development. 3. Qualified teachers can _ according to students' unique needs. A. Acquire vital social skills. B. Enhance interpersonal abilities. C. Adapt their teaching methods. 4. Face-to-face interactions in schools _ a sense of community. A. Create. B. Foster. C. Explore. 5. Regular in-person interaction _ emotional intelligence. A. Achieves. B. Exhibits. C. Enhances. 6. Physical schools provide a _ learning environment. A. Structured. B. Personalized. C. Supportive. 7. Teachers _ contributes to personalized instruction. A. Collaboration skills. B. Engagement in daily in-person interaction. C. Contribution in personalized instruction. 8. Students who attended physical schools achieved _ A. Higher academic performance. B. Comprehensive social skill development. C. Personalized learning experiences.
Còn một số bài tập khác, bạn hãy truy cập vào link website ở phần mô tả video để luyện tập thêm và kiểm tra đáp án cho các bài tập này. Hy vọng với phần giải chi tiết bài luận và các bài tập, các bạn sẽ tự tin viết đề bài này và đạt điểm cao. Các bạn hãy cho mình một lượt thích và đăng ký kênh để cập nhật những đề dự đoán IELTS 2023 mới nhất cho đợt thi IELTS sắp tới nhé. Xin cảm ơn.